Easy Skins is just fine over a cracked glass.
Of course, we use a screen protector rather than an actual phone to show you how it sticks.
It's excellent in hiding the damage on the back of the phone, as long as the glass is still intact.
Be extra gentle and don't press it too hard. The skin will keep the glass intact until you are ready to replace it.
Remember, we do not advise removing the skin once applied because pieces of the glass may stick to it and make things worse. Remove only if you plan to replace the whole part.